Just my thoughts on the Pebble time. The watch has been out for years. Just picked it up. Got it real cheap, about $70 on Amazon, brand new. Inside the box with the watch, you get proprietary cable and some instructions. Right side of the watch has a up button, menu button for selection in the middle, and a down button. The left side of the watch just has a back button when you're in the menus. The watch has a lot of nice watch faces, couple games that work with the watch, some apps. These were recently brought back to life when Rebel, I guess, restarted the servers after Fitbit shut it down, I believe, June of last year. The watch can do some sleep tracking, some fitness tracking. This model that I have doesn't have the heart rate sensor, but they do have one with a heart rate sensor that'll keep track of your heart rate. And the good thing about this watch is it works on iOS and Android, and you don't have to clear your watch when you're using it on another device. Here's some apps that are in the Rebel store. They got calculator, translator, some other ones, some that control your camera on your phone, and of course the watch is more functional on Android now, especially with replying to text messages. Here's another example of swiping around the Rebel page trying to get watch faces on an iPhone. I believe there's like a $3 monthly fee if you want access to the weather. On an Android phone, you're able to reply to text messages with your voice. iPhone doesn't have that feature. But I believe, like, for the most part, that's it. I mean, the watch is really good. Battery life, about 5 to 6 days. You can use it in the pool, things like that. It performs like just, like a smartwatch is supposed to. You can control your music that's playing from the watch, get your notifications, your calendar alerts, stuff like that. And you don't got to worry about charging it every day. So if you're looking for a smartwatch that'll do the basics really good, I would think about picking one up.